Welcome to Technology and Education Today. I'm Richard Smith.
And I'm Caroline Crawford, and we are coming to you from the University of Houston Clear Lake in Houston, Texas, USA.
Where we are discussing the design for instruction for video teaching. In particular, what makes good video teaching as exhibited in Khan Academy and in the TED series of lectures.
I happen to think that many YouTube videos, especially from the historical bent, are just as viable towards integration. When I'm designing an online course, I usually find the most useful videos within the YouTube environment.
Well, it's certainly possible to find useful videos within the YouTube environment.
Absolutely.
I use them, but the difference is
TED and Khan Academy are strongly developed courses, videos.
yes, they have to meet certain standards so that for TEDs they train their lecturers, they have a specific topic, they are very well produced.
Peer reviewed.
The
Khan Academy?
the people who appear on it, the experts who appear on it are coached in how to speak. They speak well. The cameras follow them well. With Khan Academy, they also have certain standards of design for their courses that they offer or the instruction that they offer. They have what's in essence just-in-time training. It focuses on certain subject areas or problem areas within subject areas that can be explained very well on video, and they follow a script so that they can go from a logical sequence of instruction from A to B to C to D, and you know that each video that you're going to see on Khan Academy or the TED series, or for that matter YouTube EDU, which is different from YouTube in general, they're going to meet certain standards of production and certain standards of design. YouTube in general, while it does have a wealth of information, the videos are produced by thousands upon thousands of individuals, and they vary in quality tremendously.
Absolutely, but that's why you vet. You go through and decide which are the most appropriate to integrate or not to integrate, depending upon the subject matter. For example, I was developing a learning theory course. I was designing a learning theory course out. And one of the things that I found to be amazingly useful were the historical video vignettes, video snippets of everyone from Pavlov to Merrill to anyone and everyone available. Just short little snippets to give people an idea of what the person looked like, how they spoke, what the actual information was, why they were so famous, and hearing the actual developer of those ideas talking about it. We were in the learning theory course, one of the sections we were focusing upon Pavlov, and there was so many useful videos out there on YouTube for it, and I integrated them into the instructional design process as is appropriate. But one of the things, I happen to enjoy watching a little comedy sitcom on television called 2.5 Men. And one of the places that the characters always go is this little bar called Pavlov's. And they had a little snippet in there about about the dog. And whenever the dog, you ring the bell, the dog salivates and all that great stuff. That is why so many of the students have commented upon that video several times that, oh yeah, I remember Pavlov because of that one video. It wasn't because of all the other great information or the other videos in there. It was about that one little video. They made the connection. Isn't that the point? You design the course. You are the instructional designer. You design the course yourself, and then you integrate appropriate videos where is most appropriate. And wherever you find the videos, yay, they're available, which is one of the strengths of YouTube, I would suggest. On the other hand, if you want the full instructional gamut, you can't hush me. If you want the full instructional gamut, everything from the objectives to the actual actor working professionally, then yes, absolutely. TEDs and Khan Academy are brilliant resources.
And that's the difference. Because what we're
roundabout way, and that's the difference.
Because what we're talking about here is a systematic effort to provide instruction that is coherent and to the point and designed in a way that whoever is watching it will learn efficiently. The difference with YouTube is that you have a huge variety of producers of video, a few of which are very good, many of which are just horrible.
But when we're talking about just-in-time opportunities, for example, if you're trying to instruct someone how to use a software environment and one of your students is having difficulty understanding, well, how do I do this? How do I do this? I can't figure it out. The instructions that you gave me, they don't make sense to me. So as the instructor, either you are going to go through and develop a video, screenshot video, and explain the process to go through, or many times, most of the time, I find very useful resources through YouTube, just short little tutorials meeting their needs.
Yes, you can. But my point is that the people who design these videos on YouTube, most of them don't understand either the design of good instruction, or they don't understand good video production, which means that...
But it still fulfills a need.
Yes, it may fulfill a need, but the idea is that if you understand how to design instruction and you understand how to produce video, the chances of you producing an effective video for instruction become immensely greater. And the types of mistakes that are made on many YouTube videos, and I go through them all the time because I design courses also and search for videos that are appropriate, are such elementary things as the audio is way too low.
That'll drive you crazy, yes.
The narrator has obviously not rehearsed what he or she is going to say.
Or ever listen to themselves on video.
Right. Right.
Oh, well, wait a minute, and go off on a different
Right.
topic.
So this is what, and so it becomes glaringly, so it becomes glaringly obvious that well-designed instruction is, one, more effective for the students as a tool for instruction.
Well-designed video-based instruction that you get through TED or Khan Academy, or
But
I'm sure
if you have it well-designed, it beats just what people do on YouTube, which is simply to send in their first draft. I doubt if they even bother to review what they have submitted, and if they do, they certainly don't have much of a concept of instructional design. Now, I might add that the general videos put into YouTube that you find are different from this new project on the part of YouTube, which is YouTube EDU, not YouTube.edu, but YouTube EDU, where they are now have collections of very well-made videos for instructional purposes, and that again shows a difference between well-designed video for instruction and video which is just, video of the people.
Developed by the masses.
Developed by the masses, fine, great. It's more work on the part of the instructor who wants to use those videos to put together a coherent course. But now we've reached the end of yet another edition of Technology and Education Today. Quarters swinging.
But it's better than having to develop yourself. Okay.
I'm Richard Smith.
And I'm Caroline Crawford. And again, we are coming to you from the University of Houston Clear Lake in Houston, Texas, USA. Bye!